Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa Mitrakin from It's Easy to Draw Academy, and if you've been following this channel for any length of time, you're probably already familiar with my line art, and you've probably colored more than a couple of pages. If you're completely new to this channel, thank you so much for joining. Welcome. I hope you stick around. So I have a question for you today. How would you like to draw the way that I do? I'm here to tell you that you can, and I can teach you. These are the works of my graduated student. This student went from zero, from not ever drawing before, to publishing her own amazing, perfect line art drawings on Etsy in less than a month. I'll tell you a little secret. I never actually planned to be a line art illustrator. I am a painter by trade. When I went to art university, my specialty was oil painting. I was a commissioned tattoo artist for years. I got into this line of work by pure accident, and I can't stop. And the reason that I can't stop making coloring pages and publishing coloring books is because I enjoyed the process so much. And now I want to be able to share this joy with you. I looked at a bunch of art courses online that offer similar services, teaching you how to draw line art, and I found a minor problem with most of them. They all jump straight into, hey, now that you know you want to draw a dog, grab your pen and just start drawing a dog. Now scan it and you have a coloring page. And I'm like, what? You didn't teach them how to draw. You just told them what to do. I am constantly looking for new and better ways to actually teach you the steps involved in creation, starting from the very beginning, starting from the idea, how to polish that idea, how to actually form it on the page. So my course is radically different from everything else out there. My course is designed in 4 long parts, each broken up into tiny little video lessons that are very easy to follow. In part 1, there's a lot of theoretical knowledge and technical knowledge. I will explain to you exactly what makes a professional coloring page and how to begin to compose one. Our biggest problem as artists is staring at a blank page and not knowing where to start, isn't it? Well, this course will solve that problem. In part 2, I will spend a lot of time teaching you step by step how to actually make a professional sketch. So once again, if you have no experience drawing whatsoever, worry not. I will take care of that. I will show you exactly how to approach sketching and how to fine-tune your sketch. Part 3 is the scariest. That's the clean and flawless outlines without ink pens. Notice how we don't just jump straight into it. We're leading up to it with a lot of practice exercises. It may be a little daunting, but I guarantee you, if you follow my steps, you too will be able to make clean and flawless outlines. And finally, in part 4, I will teach you what to do with your coloring page now that it's done, how to upload it and make it into a digital file, very specifically formats, resolution, how to create a margin, how to edit your lightness and darkness. We'll make some practice prints to actually compare what works and what doesn't. And finally, for the cherry on top, I will show you how to actually upload your flawless and perfect digital file onto Etsy and actually set it up for sale. Now, becoming a published artist or making sales or likes and subscribes and all of that are not the ultimate measures of success in art. Though they do help, so there's the like button right there. Don't forget to hit it. But seriously though, we are not measuring our success in sales. We're measuring our success in the joy that we get out of the actual creation process. So no, you are by no means required to publish a page at the end of this course, but if you wish, that door is now open to you. I highly recommend that you take this course even if you're not interested in publishing books and pages, because the art of line drawing is way up here in craft and mastery and perfection of the actual art of drawing, up there with tattoos. If you can do this, if you can go through this course, and I know you will, and you can produce beautiful and clean art, and I know you can draw pretty much anything. So it's an excellent opportunity to go through all the stages of learning how to draw fairly quickly and go from zero to an amazing result in just a few weeks. And if you're more interested in 3D drawing, grayscale, shading, building compositions, and creating your own original art, consider taking my Fundamentals of Drawing course. That course is radically different. It's more classical drawing. We'll start from the very beginning with graphite and charcoal and colored pencils. And there's a whole separate video on that. I'm not going to go into it in this one, but I'll put a link to it somewhere on the screen and in the video description. So do check that course out as well. All the links to everything you need are in the pinned comment and in the video description. My academy is called simply It's Easy to Draw. And it's very easy to find. It's www.itseasytodraw.com. So swing by, check it out, see some other courses that I already have up there that are available to start right away or for pre-order. If you're a colorist, consider taking How to Use Colored Pencils Like a Pro or my new and upcoming Light Illusions course. Very excited about that one. You'll be happy to know that there are multiple payment plans available in the Academy now, and I often run promos and sales. So check out the pinned comment of this video to see if there's a sale running right now and if there's a promo code for that. So I hope to see you in class. I hope to see your art featured on Etsy and on YouTube, and I hope to actually color it myself one day. How cool would that be? How cool would that be to have me color your page for a change? Let's make it happen. I'll see you in class.